In the last 24 hours, the complete cryptocurrency market has seen a bloodbath with the total market cap down by more than 14%. But this is a great opportunity to short your cryptocurrencies and make money. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look as to how we can short or long Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies using Binance Futures. So you definitely don't want to miss this video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to our Telegram channel and join our family. The link is given in the description below. Now let's jump on to today's video. So we are on the Binance Futures application right here currently, and if you are clicking it for the first time on your Binance app, you will be asked to participate in a small quiz. There will be a few questions. Once you answer them, then you will be redirected to this page. Once you are here, the first thing that you would like to do is get your balance to the Binance Futures wallet. How you can do that? You can just scroll below and click on transfer. If you click on transfer, you will be guided to this page. So you can transfer from your spot wallet or your margin cross. You can select your spot wallet to the USDM futures, and which coin do you want to transfer. Either you can transfer BNB, USDT or BUSD. So I will select USDT, and I have just have $1, so I'll just show you. So I'll just click on 100% and I'll just confirm, and I'll get my $1 here on my Binance Futures wallet. Now, what are all the currencies that I can long or short? So for that, we have a list. Basically, what we can do for that list is we can click on the top and we will be getting all the symbols right here. Okay, so we have like lots of currencies available. So you can click this list and you can find out what currency do you want to long or short. So for example, I want to short or long, I want to trade in Bitcoin USDT perpetual. Okay, so the first thing that I need to do is, first I need to select whether it should be an isolated margin or a cross margin. Now, what is an isolated or a cross margin? Let us understand that. Now, a cross margin means that your balance or your margin will be calculated based on the money that you have not only in your Binance Futures wallet but also in your Binance Spot wallet and Binance P2P wallet as well. Now, if we are to talk about young traders who are not so experienced, it is recommended that you use the isolated wallet, because in this way only your futures wallet amount will be at risk. So we just select isolated wallet and click on confirm. Then you can select the leverage. So you can select from 1x to up to 125x based on your risk taking capacity and based on your current value. So if for starters, it is recommended to keep your leverage somewhere between 3 to 5. That is something which is considered to be pretty safe. So I'll consider 5x leverage. I'll confirm this. Now the next part is whether should I be using the stop loss. Now it is always recommended to use the stop loss while you are trading, and especially if you are trading in futures, this is very important, because the futures are very unpredictable and it's very risky. Okay, so it's always recommended that you use the stop loss or stop limit option when you are trading in the futures wallet. Now there are multiple types of stop losses, as you can see right here. So I generally recommend you can use the stop limit or the trailing stop. The next part is basically to see how much do you want to invest. So let's say I want to invest the complete 100%, and here I can select multiple prices. Okay, first I can select the stop price. The stop price could be anything that you want, whether if you want to long or if you want to short. Longing means buying and shorting means selling. Now, if you are longing Bitcoin, then of course your stop price should be at a lower point, and if you are shorting Bitcoin, your top price should be at a higher price. So basically, As you can see, the Bitcoin is currently at around 31,668. First, I want to decide whether do I want to long or short Bitcoin. So I want to long Bitcoin, okay, and my stop loss should be at around 30,000. I'm just taking an example right here. I'll make a trade and I'll show it to you. So 100% of the BTC with $1 here I'm showing it to you. Next comes whether it should be a GTC, IOC or FOK. Now what are these terms? Let's quickly see what do these terms mean. GTC means good till cancelled, IOC means immediate or cancel order, and FOK means fill or kill. So it's generally recommended, and it's the simplest form is to use good till cancel. That means if you are putting in an order, then your order should be active or should be live till it gets filled. So I'll select GTC right here, and I'll select the stop price, and here I'll select as last. Last means the price where Bitcoin was getting traded. So it was at 31,616, but it is coming down. So now it's up to me whether I want to long or short. So what I'll do is I'll say I'll want to long Bitcoin, okay. And as you can see, first let me select this to 100%. I want to long Bitcoin, so I will long. Also, what you can do is you can click on this calculator. You can select what is whether you should be longing or shorting, what is the leverage that you want, what is your entry price, exit price, quantity price, and you can calculate, and that will give you the liquidation price, the target price, and the maximum open and the open price as well. Also, one very important thing that you need to notice here is the margin ratio right here. So the margin ratio is the maintenance margin divided by the margin balance. Now your portfolio will be liquidated once this margin ratio reaches 100%, and you will be alerted once this meter reaches in this red zone, so that you will be notified that you need to fund your account, otherwise it could lead to liquidation. Also, please note there are certain commission fees which Binance charges for each of our transactions on the Binance Futures wallet as well. So you need to check out the complete fees and complete details about Binance Futures by clicking on the link given in the description below. So that's pretty much it about this video, about this tutorial about how to use the Binance Futures. If you have any doubts, if you have any questions, do let me know by commenting below. Also, I have given the link in the description below. You can click that link and open a Binance Futures account as well. So that's pretty much about this video. Stay tuned to our channel for more such interesting videos, and also subscribe to our channel, press the thumbs up and share this video with your close friends, because the market is currently coming down, and if you are able to short Bitcoin, any other cryptocurrencies, you will be able to make good money. So thank you so much for tuning in. Take care. Bye bye for now.